Ready to get weird? Here are 5 facts that sound like total lies, but they're real. 1. Bananas are actually berries. But strawberries, not berries. Welcome to fruit logic. 2. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Yeah, nature said, let's get geometrical. 3. You can smell rain before it falls. That earthy scent? It's called petrichor. Fancy, huh? 4. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 for pumping to the gills. 1 just for chilling with the body. 5. A shrimp's heart is in its head, which means it really with its heart. Truth is stranger than fiction. Like and follow for more weirdness. Because normal is boring.